Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your Frontier router. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so method one is power cycle, which is a soft reset. So unplug the router, disconnect the power cord from the back of your Frontier unit. So you'll see power, go ahead and disconnect that cord there. And now you want to go ahead and leave it unplugged for about 30 seconds. Then from there, reconnect the power cord back in and then wait for the reboot. So allow the router to fully reboot and the lights stabilize, as you can see in this image. Alright, so method 2, factory reset, which is a hard reset. So warning, this will erase all custom settings, including Wi-Fi name and password. So we need to go ahead and locate the reset button. So on the back of your router, find the reset button and it should say reset under that button. And now using a paper clip or something similar, press and hold that reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then from there, just release the button and wait for the router to reboot. Now once reset, you'll need to reconfigure your router settings.